All right, guys, we got you something special today. 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. You heard that right, Red Eye. So what we done on it, still got all the factory stuff, converter here and there, factory X pipe, 3-inch pipe, sorry guys. And then we did a muffler delete, a mid muffler delete or mid resonator delete. Depends on your flavor of the day, what you want to call it. We did that. We cut them off and put 3-inch pipe in their place. And then it's still got the valves on it, there and there. And it's still got the rear mufflers or rear resonators, there and there. With the black tips. As you guys can tell, it's all debadged, really nice. Comes from factory like that. There it is. That's how you get it done, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. How much of a difference does those things make? Woo! Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. Sound decibels again? Haha! 120. That's not bad at all. Let me move. I moved the wood. You want louder? You want louder?
It'll change the set.
Yeah, it'll get even louder. Yeah. There's what we cut off. Right now it's in sports mode or eco mode, right? Eco mode. So put it in Hellcat mode or what is it? Track mode. And let us rev it a couple of times if you don't mind. You cannot hear that sound. That's in regular eco mode. It was at 120. He's going to open it up for us. Now he's going to put it in track mode. Let's see the difference in sound. Oh, wow. That's a huge difference. Challenger Hellcat Red Eye 2020. You cannot beat that. Look at that sound. Look at that stance. Beautiful. There it is. Tell us what you guys think. Hopefully he'll get on it for us.